Preparing lunch, brown rice, pasta. I am on a journey to take my cholesterol back, following blood O diet. This is just my own journey. I'm not a doctor. I'm just sharing some of the recipes that I am making and finding them on the internet. So I'm going to be making a sauce, vegan sauce, organic garbanzo, great Northern beans. Don't have my glasses on so I can read. So jar of this. I drained the water, some garlic and onion, tomato. I had some spinach left over, so I'm going to throw it right in here. Some olive oil, pepper, salt. I'm going to throw a handful of pumpkin seeds, olive oil. I just eyeing it, some water, and here we go. Oh my God, it smells absolutely amazing. Just grab some. Creamy, rich. I can taste the garlic. I can taste the tomato, the beans. The mixture is absolutely freaking divine. I can't even speak. The best thing I've made it in a long time. Can't wait to put it on pasta for lunch and have this. Oh my God, I think my new best friend. I just found my new best friend. Whew. Success.